Hi guys, today we will work on Angular form array. So I am starting a new project. Go with routing, then selecting CSS. So the project is created. So I'm going to open in code editor, Visual Studio Code, and here I will add the info because I have some problem with the Lipstick. This thing you don't have to do, and then I will clear the previously developed, by default developed HTML infos. Then inside the asset folder, I will create another one folder, data, and then here I will create an array of datas. So I'm just going to give a name. Some Then I'm going to create some city names. So I'm going to add this array to the form array. So I have created this. Then I'll go to the app module and I'll add here the reactive forms module, because only in reactive forms module we have that forms array. Then we will create a form group. So for now I will make it I don't want to initialize it right now. go for creating a constructor. So inside the constructor, I will just add a form builder along with the HTTP client module. So, but before that, we need to add it here. Use this only. With client module. So here, form builder. Then I will add the client, HTTP client. The client. This dot is equal to this dot form builder dot group. Here I will add two elements. One is name, initialized with empty string. Then validators we set as required. And next one is cities. So this city name, what you are seeing here, I'll try to push it to form array. Use the same. Copy this. That is required. To be form array actually. Inside the form array, I'll add a control. And inside the control, I'll initialize it actually. Initialize with these things. Okay, now our form array is created, and we will add this to the HTML now. Create a form and form group. Go to form. Then I will add a label. going to be name. Then another one input tag. And form control name. This name. And the type is going to be text. Okay. We'll declare form array. Equal to the form array is going to be cities. Then we'll iterate through that cities. Controls. Fine. Then we'll take the input type. Form control name. And the size is going to be the index. Type is going to be text. So we have two fields. One is the name field and another one is city field. And the city field is of a form array type. So basically we can provide button either for deleting or adding any new cities. So I'll add remove email, and here goes the index. Oh, sorry, it's remove city. I can go for remove city. Then we can go for add city. We'll serve it and check. We need to create this methods actually, so I'll go by creating this. So we need to list out the number of cities. I mean, need to get all the cities before, then we need to iterate it. So I create a method like get cities, and this will return on dot get yes. So, okay. So this will list out all the cities that gets added via this form array, and using these cities we can go and find out the index, then we can delete it from individual places. A method called remove it, we can use it. This should be number, but anyway I will give it as any for now. Then I will create this add city method. Here also I will give it as any. Then I will use the push. Use this push to create additional controls. That means I will use this dot fb dot control, the same thing, and this will add new new pushes. I mean new pushes in the new cities whichever we add. And I'm going to create a non-submit. And meanwhile, what we do is we have already added uh, from the assets folder. We'll try to retrieve those things. The assets will load the data which we have already added there. Then we'll subscribe here. The plan here is like take for instance this is a response from API, and I am trying to retrieve all the data from that API and push it onto form array. And now best is we don't need to do this in constructor actually. We will go for ng on init. But I will check whether the data loads first of all. So we have some errors here. Let's see. Add a city. I think we don't need this. mistake actually. This should be these cities. Here we'll run in 4200 port. So you can keep on adding the number of city that you need, and even you can remove the cities that you don't need. And right now we'll try to load data. We'll check whether it works or not. So I have the data which came from the assets folder. So now I am going to iterate through all this and try to uh, make it dynamic. Dynamic in the sense based on the number of elements in the array, that many number of input form controls will be created. So let us do that right now. So here what then, since this data is going to be an array, we'll be going through a for each, and then said that we can go for getting the values, and then said that well we have cities, city name. The any G string, but still I use any because in future I may be doing some other things. The dot push comma, can take this validators, reduce three. I need to push form control actually. Sorry. Data control. Data is not required. I think this is more than sufficient. It will automatically add everything here. So the first one is because of the initial value that I have added here. So we'll just remove this. So this empty item will keeping on. Still you can add inside this codes, but you can see like you can go for adding any new cities. And keep on adding whatever you want actually. Right now I'll plan for doing a submit on this so we can see how the value comes. Join submit. Submit. This is not dot value. So now if you can see here, then you can give some name. Then you can add the city. Singapore. Okay. Oh, I forgot to add the submit button. Submit. Then we can submit and see. See all the values came. And if you're going to add any new city, go for submit and see all the new addition got added. But still you can go for remove. You have the latest updated value here. That's it. I plan to show to you. So thank you.